Subdisciplines or branches of accounting. Just think that accounting is a big tree. It has various branches. To name a few: financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, and many others. First, financial accounting as a subdiscipline or branch of accounting. Financial accounting is systematic record of all financial transactions and events. One of the main objectives of financial accounting is to ascertain the financial performance, results, and financial position of an entity. Basically, financial accounting relates to the past period. That is, it is historical in nature. Reason, क्योंकि जो ऑलरेडी ट्रांजैक्शन एंड इवेंट्स हो चुके हैं पास्ट में उनको रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है. It serves the stewardship function. I request all of you to do some basic research about this stewardship function. It is monetary in nature for the reason that it records only those transactions and events that can be measured in monetary terms. That is, it basically deals with the quantitative data and ignores qualitative data. And this information, financial information, is for all the users, all the stakeholders. स्टेकहोल्डर्स, शेयर होल्डर्स नहीं, स्टेक होल्डर्स वाइडर टर्म है जिसमें सारे पार्टीज जो हमारे बिजनेस में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, चाहे वो इन्वेस्टर्स हों, शेयर होल्डर्स हों, लेंडर्स हों, कस्टमर्स हों, सप्लायर्स हों, गवर्नमेंट हो, सब आ जाता है. सो बेसिकली फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग इज फॉर all the users, whether internal or external. It deals with all types of accounts, namely asset, liability, capital, income, revenue, gain, expense, losses. Cost accounting. As the name suggests, cost accounting basically concentrates on the cost element. Cost is also known as expenditure. In cost accounting, we analyze the cost or expenditure. This is done in order to ascertain the cost of product, service, operation or a particular activity. Simply speaking, अगर मैं रसगुल्ले बनाता हूँ तो मुझे क्या क्या चाहिए रहेगा? मुझे चाहिए रहेगा सीमेंट, फेविकॉल, पेट्रोल और लेबर चाहिए रहेगा. दैट मीन्स रसगुल्ले बनाने के लिए, मैन्युफैक्चर करने के लिए कॉस्ट इंकर करना पड़ेगा, राइट? तो एक रसगुल्ला बनाया, कितने में बन के तैयार हुआ, कॉस्ट कितना इंकर किया, एक्सपेंडिचर कितना हुआ, ये असर्टेन करना, ये वन ऑफ द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग. दो देर आर वेरियस ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग, नेमली ascertaining the cost of a product, service, operation, activity. Second, reducing and controlling the cost. And the information provided by cost accounting is basically for the management decision making. Management, that is internal to an organization. So basically cost accounting internal users के लिए होता है, to be very specific, for the management. Generally ये external users के लिए नहीं होता. हाँ, एक्सेप्शनली ये भी एक्सटर्नल यूजर्स के लिए हो सकता है. जनरली इट इज मेंट फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस मैनेजमेंट डिसीजन मेकिंग. मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग. मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग, एज द नेम सजेस्ट, it basically deals with the informational needs of the management. Management is the art and science of getting things done from others. And for getting things done from others, manager needs various information. And management accounting provides all such information. Management accounting provides information to people within the organization. That is, it is meant for management only. Management accounting draws information from financial, costing, and other sources. That is, management accounting uses financial accounting, cost accounting, and other sources to draw information and provide it to the management. It deals with quantitative as well as qualitative data, financial as well as non-financial information. It relates to past, present, and future. But for decision making purposes, it is basically futuristic. Management accounting provides all the relevant information for decision making. And examples of management accounting are budget, assessing the profitability, pricing decision, efficiency and effectiveness of management. So, financial accounting is meant for all the users, internal as well as external. Cost accounting mainly for internal, exceptionally for outsiders. And management accounting is meant for management only.